What is going on, guys? Welcome back into a brand new video here on the channel. In today's video I wanted to share with you 11 different ways on how to make money online in 2020. Now, I've been seeing a lot of articles and videos recently of people showing that it's possible to make money by just walking or doing little surveys or completing tasks. I mean, to be honest, there's nothing wrong with that, but the only problem that I see with it is that they are not scalable. So in today's video I'm sharing with you 11 different methods and effective ones on how to make money online in 2020. But before jumping into the video, if you are new on the channel, my name is Gessi. I'm an 18-year-old college marketing student, and in this channel I promote that it's possible to have a side passion or even start and build a side business while you're working or studying full-time. So if you're enjoying these videos, as always, make sure to subscribe down below. It will mean a lot to me. Now, to get into this video, some of these methods I've tried myself, and I'll be sharing with you my experiences and what I really think about it, also advantages and disadvantages. And yeah, let's start with the first one. Alright, so method number one is Fiverr.com. So Fiverr.com is a website where you can basically go there. You don't even have to pay for a subscription. You go there and you can find little jobs like graphic design, music, helping people with math problems, creating logos, editing videos, and much more. So you don't even have to have a skill to go and find clients there. The only thing that I really enjoy about Fiverr.com is that you get paid so little money and you can get a lot of working. So if you are new into, let's say, graphic design, if you are new to graphic design, you can start and getting a lot of work so you can build your portfolio, and then later on, after you practice for some time, you can start and charge clients more money. So that's the one thing I really enjoy about Fiverr.com. And then the negative side effect of that is that there is no way that you can make a lot of money with Fiverr.com, because Fiverr.com is basically based on finding freelancer. You pay them $5 and then they help you with a problem that you might have. So if you have seen a video that I made a few weeks ago, I shared with you my journey as a freelancer and how I actually started to make money online. I shared with you that one of my first online platforms where I started was Fiverr.com, and if you want to check that video out, I'm gonna link it up here or here, I don't know where is it, in the corner, so make sure to go and check that video out. But yeah, Fiverr.com is a great way to start and build your portfolio if you don't have a high income skill and if you really want to get started making money online and also building your portfolio. So I really recommend it. Method number two is Upwork.com. Is basically similar to Fiverr.com. You can provide the same services. You can be a graphic designer, you can be a video editor, a marketer, a social media manager, a songwriter. You can help people by providing cooking recipes. You can translate videos, transcribe videos, and much more. So it's basically the same as Fiverr.com, but the only thing that makes it different is that you are working with professional people. Now in Upwork.com, you are working with professional business people and with companies that are willing to pay you hundreds of dollars, even thousands of dollars for the service that you are going to provide. But now this has its negative side, that is that you have to have a high income skill so you can charge more, and there's a lot of competition, there's a lot of freelancers. So if you really don't have that high income skill, it's gonna be really hard for you to get clients in Upwork.com. Now, as I've shared in one of my videos that I'm going to link up here, Upwork.com is where I find 75% of my clients, and I really enjoy this website because not only I find a client for just one time after giving them the service that they need, after solving their problem, we keep in contact, and whenever they need more help from me, they just let me know by email. So I'm really enjoying Upwork.com, and I can really recommend it to you guys. If you've built your portfolio right now and you've got a high income skill, I really recommend Upwork.com, where you can charge a lot more for your services that you are providing. So as I'm gonna say, like, level one, go start with Fiverr.com if you don't have a skill, manage the skill, practice a lot of it, build a portfolio, and then later on you can jump into Upwork.com, where you can change hundreds or even thousands of dollars for the skill that you want to provide. Method number three is flipping items online, and it is as easy as it sounds. You buy something for cheap, you either hold it or you sell it directly for more money that you've bought it, so you've made a little profit. Now, The thing is that as you're getting started, it's hard to actually find those things, and you may not have a balance of money that you can start spending it. But as soon as you start building that balance, you can spend way more money, so you can buy more high ticket products and then sell them for more, so your profit is gonna be even larger. I promoted a lot of my channel that I'm flipping sneakers. I buy, for example, a pair of Air Jordan 1 collaborated with Travis Scott. I bought them for $160 and then I hold it for I think 1 or even 2 weeks, and then I sold it for $900. So I made a lot of profit. So that's easy. You just buy it for cheap, you sell it for more. Also, another way is flipping domains, which has been really popular during the internet era. Let's say, for example, an artist, let's name him John. Artist John is about to get famous, and as most of the artists, they like to have their full name as their domain name on their website. So you go to GoDaddy, for example, which is a website where you can buy domains for as little as 99 cents, I believe. So you go and buy the domain, and then his management team, let's say John's management team, will contact you later on because they would like to purchase the domain name that you have. So that 99 cents that you bought, you can even sell it for 10,000. I've seen people sell it for $50,000, even $100,000, because that person, that artist that is becoming famous at the moment, really wants that exact domain name with his full name on it. So this has been another great way. And another way which I really recommend, I've recommended on the channel, I recommend it to my friends, is selling old items that you've got around at your house. I mean, this is actually not flipping. So for example, you've got an old camera, you've got an old console that you are not using anymore. So you get it, you put it on eBay, you list it there, and you sell it. So you make some little extra money that you can use it for the things that you want to do. So that is another great way of making money online, and I really recommend flipping items, which is super powerful. Some people have really made great results, but I've seen people that flip sneakers all the time. They've built businesses with it. I mean, I'm not into that side of the business. Whenever it's possible for me, whenever I get lucky, I like to purchase a pair of sneakers and then resell it later for a little profit, but I'm not into that side. So if you are into that side, I really recommend it. It's a great way to make money online. Alright, so moving on, method number 4 is transcribing videos. Someone may hire you to get their video format and transform it into a document format. This usually works with podcasts. While someone is recording a podcast, they also would like to have it as a text format, as a document format, so they can create a blog out of it. So that's basically it. I know it's time consuming a little bit, but if you can write fast, there's another way to make money online in 2020. Method number 5 is becoming a virtual assistant. I mean, this is the easiest way to make money online in 2020. I haven't tried this one out yet, but the thing is that if you are willing to spend 1 or 2 hours every single day helping someone else managing their emails, their social media, managing their appointment and their meetings, this is a great way to make money online in 2020. Super easy, and I'm also going to link down a website where you can find some jobs about this. And if you've been enjoying the video till now, as always, make sure to leave a like. It will mean a lot to me. And let's jump straight into method number 6. Alright, so method number 6 is website testing. There are a lot of companies that are coming out with their new websites and they would like people to test them out. I've tried this one myself and I can say that it's not possible to actually scale it, but if you want some quick cash, if you want some extra money, it's very nice to try this one out and make some extra money. I'm gonna link a website down below in the description where you can start getting some jobs, and basically it consists on, for example, a website. Let's say a bookstore is coming up with their new website. All you have to do is record a video and answer a question they might have. They might ask you, find the address of this bookstore, and all you have to do is to screen record your laptop screen and then go and find the address of this bookstore, and that's it. That's basically it. You just test it to a website and you just prove that this website actually works and that people can go find out where the bookstore is. So that's one way of making money online in 2020. Super easy. I've tried this one myself, and if you really want to make some extra cash, super nice. So make sure to go and check it out. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description where you can find some jobs about this one. Another way to make money online in 2020 is via consulting. So if you've got a skill, if you've got a passion about something, and if you are really looking towards teaching another person about your passion, you can jump straight into a call with someone else. And let's say, for example, you are great with video editing. You jump straight into a call with someone else and they are going to pay you so you can explain everything and all your experiences with video editing and how to create better videos. So this is basically consulting, and this doesn't mean that you only have to be focused on video editing. You can focus and explain about nutrition, graphic design, cooking, whatever your passion is. So that's basically it. I see a lot of potential in this one, and this can really be scalable because let's say you are a personal trainer, and if you coach someone and help them win a bodybuilding championship, you are going to be known as a person, as a trainer who helped them win that bodybuilding championship. So many more people are going to hire you and you can start charging way more money. Method number 8 is online courses. This is kind of like the previous one that we talked about. So if you've got a skill, if you really are passionate about something, in my case, for example, I'm passionate about video editing. So if I want to help other people create better videos and edit them better and actually make money from video editing, I can create an online course where I show people how to go from a beginner to an advanced video editor, and people are willing to purchase it because they are interested about it. The great thing about this one is that this is passive income. That means that you build it first, you build your online course, and then you can start making money every single month without even working. Alright, so coming to the last 3 ones, these are going to be the hardest one, but actually the most profitable ones. So the first one is dropshipping, and basically dropshipping is creating an online store, creating a brand where you sell a product, but you don't even ship your product yourself. So all the work is done by the manufacturers. I see a lot of great potential on this one, even though I've tried this one myself 2 times actually, and I didn't get great results, and I think that's because I didn't really put in the work and the effort that I had to put in. So the first one, I think it was 2 years ago, I started a jewelry company where I was selling skeleton skulls to other people. That business failed completely, and then 7 or 8 months ago I started a running merchandise clothing brand thing, which I started to get a few sales, but as I was not putting a lot of time and effort into this business, I really didn't scale it, and that failed as well. So I see a lot of potential in dropshipping, but you have to really be careful. And I've seen a lot of videos of people explaining that you can start dropshipping with as little as $50, but I actually don't believe into that. It's possible, but it takes a lot of time and marketing skills to start a dropshipping store. But it's a great way to make money in 2020. Method number 10 is building an online audience. This is, for example, creating a YouTube channel or having an Instagram page, Twitter page, or even a LinkedIn page or any other platform. Basically, this is all about having a following and then using successful marketing strategies to make money from them. Alright, so the last one is affiliate marketing. In my opinion, this is a harder one because if you don't really have a following, it's going to be harder to promote the product. And this is basically focused on promoting a product and then people using your link or your affiliate code to buy that product, and you make a little extra commission from it. So I think Amazon affiliate is a great example of this one. And if I, for example, am making a YouTube video about this phone, I can promote this one and I can link a link down below in the description so you can buy it. And if you buy that product, I make a little commission. And I think in Amazon affiliate, you make between 1 and 5%. But if you start summing them up, you can make a lot of money. And this is a great way to create another passive income stream. So that's all about it. If you are new to the channel, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe down below. It will mean a lot to me. And yeah, I thought today I'll stay away from the vlog and share an interesting and powerful video with you guys. So I'll see you in my next one. Peace.